A new lawsuit aims to remove Kentucky's Republican candidate for Attorney General off the November ballot.
The argument is that he doesn't have the 8 years of experience constitutionally needed to run for that office. Is that true, or is it just a political attack? LEX 18's political reporter Carolina Buchek has the big story at 5:30.
As Democrat Greg Stumbo,
But Daniel, we don't let children run the thing.
and Republican Daniel Cameron
By the way, Greg, how did that work out for you?
fight for the job of Kentucky's Attorney General, the race has taken a legal turn. This lawsuit, filed by Joseph Jackson, a retired union worker in Jefferson County, asked the judge to, quote, issue an order disqualifying Cameron as a candidate. And this lawsuit says it all comes down to Kentucky's Constitution, which says, quote, the Attorney General shall have been a practicing lawyer 8 years before his election. Now, Cameron was licensed by the Kentucky Bar Association in October of 2011. So if you're doing the math, next month marks 8 years. But here's where the lawsuit finds an issue. For 2 of those years, Cameron worked as a federal judicial law clerk. So this suit says that can't be considered the practice of law because there's no client involved. The lawsuit says, quote, in short, Mr. Cameron may have become a lawyer in October 2011 when he obtained his law license, but he did not become a practicing lawyer until 2013. And that's something some law professors don't agree with.
I clerked for 2 years for a federal judge out of law school. I know lots of other people who have clerked for judges, and I think they would all consider that experience part of their legal practice, even though it's not representing clients.
In response to the lawsuit, Cameron's campaign fired back, implying Stumbo is behind this. Their statement says in part, quote, remember, this is 2019, not 1819. We will not let an old white career politician cheat a young qualified black attorney out of a fair election. Stumbo tweeted about the situation today, saying in part, quote, I'm stunned at the lengths my opponent and the Kentucky GOP are going to silence this man and discount his valid concerns. In Louisville, Carolina Buchek, LEX 18 News.